Very good evening, guys. This is Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. Treasury Consulting is a multidimensional group having offices in India, Singapore, Hong Kong, and God willing in two more countries once coronavirus is over. More importantly, we are having our stock valuation desk, our MTM desk, our foreign exchange desk, our regulatory desk. Apart from that, we are also offering the video courses, our own OTT platform TRFX Academy, which is starting 530 rupees per year, our Mota Bhai Club, and so many things. If you if you if you would like to have any information, you can definitely WhatsApp us 9818485155. 9818485155. Today, I wanted to talk about a very important thing, which is about parenting. We know that year 2000 started with a bang. We can just hope that 2021 will not start with the same bang. We can just hope so. Because unfortunately, even after so many vaccination news like Singapore approved Pfizer, if I need to check again, but I think Canada also approved Pfizer, UK already approved Pfizer, US already approved Pfizer. Today I was watching that Moderna vaccine is waiting for approval. Even after all these things, the gold and silver are relentless. They are saying, doesn't matter. I'm going up, up, and up. So I would like to conclude that maybe there is something which is right before us, but we cannot see. That is. Apart from that, guys, in 2000, the young kids not landed up in the school, whether it is India, US, Singapore, UK, any country of the globe, rather the online platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and all, they just had a very fantastic year. And hopefully they would continue to do the same. Since online learning is an important part of the young kid, whether he's in the first standard or second standard, third standard, or till 10th standard, or whatever different schoolings in different countries, the kids are very abnormal nowadays as far as the handling of online education is concerned. Rather, they are very handy how to handle Alexa, how to handle, I would say, Amazon Prime, Netflix, and all these platforms, YouTube and all. They, that they can handle each and everything, to be honest. Each and everything. Now, the question is, one thing which they really miss and one thing which they really do not have is maybe, except few, is they do not have any public speaking skills. In life, there are two kind of people. One, those who have an exceptional knowledge, rather three kind of people. One, those who have an exceptional knowledge but zero public speaking skills. They cannot speak in public. Forget shooting a video, coming on a live debates, extempores, and all these kind of things. Second, who are having okay knowledge, but their public speaking is like excellent. There are many politicians in the world, those who are having exorbitant public speaking skills. One of them is definitely Donald Trump. Third, people those who are exceptionally great in terms of talent, fundamentals, and they are having very great public speaking skills. They can speak anywhere, extempore, group discussions, one-to-one debates, YouTube, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Twitter, whatnot. They are ready to speak, right? The count of these people, the third category, is I think less than 0.5% in the whole globe. And one of I know in the third category is fundamentally strong, technically strong, and speaking skills, no marks. No marks means if I give him 10 out of 10, that is also a injustice for Steve. But it is the duty of the young parents to train their kids in public speaking, because the upcoming time is definitely of the public speaking. You know that competition is rising across the globe. You choose any field, guides: accounting, banking, taxation, infrastructure, cloud computing, I would say regulatory, medical science, engineering, whatever field, the competition is rising because of the rising population. Since the competition is rising, 10 seats, 100,000 participants. And even if you enter into these ten seats, there is no guarantee that your job is safe. Today, I was talking to a multimedia lady. She's actually a wife of my friend, and we were just interacting with each other on Skype. She is, by the way, an exceptionally skill set lady as far as the multimedia is concerned. She was telling me that I don't have any job now, and thanks to COVID for that. And I really don't think that the vaccine can change my fortunes, at least in 2021. Maybe 2022, my fortunes will change, but at least 2021, I'm expecting the same kind of skill set, the same kind of position, in what I left with in 2000. So I told her, if you're having a multimedia skill set, then why don't you end up starting your academy in multimedia? Trustee Consulting will definitely help you. Whatever best we can help you. She said, I really love to, but my confidence in public speaking is not like yours confidence. So don't compare with me. By the way, it's a kind of compliment she gave to me. And then I realized that even the person with that status worked several years in multinational corporations, in multimedia, handled the media desk of that company. Unfortunately, due to COVID-19, asked to step down. She's not confident enough to have her own, I would say, kind of studio, something, and train the people, or maybe give consultancy on the multimedia, whatever ways. And then I thought that how many of the young guns, those who are coming in first standard, second standard, third standard, fourth standard, fifth standard, how many of them are competent enough to speak in public? I really don't think so. So guys, it's a moral duty of the young parents to teach their kids how to speak in public. And that's very important. Because maybe you end up having huge certifications, huge degrees, diplomas, and all these kind of things. Job guarantee is something which we are not talking here, so take this as a separate topic. But at any given point of time, you need to prove yourself in front of public. I still remember that when I was in my treasury role, we used to had town halls every quarter. And like any other function, treasury function was also asked to give status update, like this project we are doing, this is done, this is what we're planning to start, this is our forecast of the Indian rupee, this is what we think about economy, this is our viewpoint about the economy, this is what we think, how it hit the company, this is our cash flow hedging program, fair value hedging program, and all. And I remember that whenever I used to give presentation, I used to give using live Reuters. Even today, I used to give on live Reuters. And rest other used to give a presentation. So they just need to look back and just reading whatever mentioned on the presentation. And I think from here, I got a great learning that how to handle Reuters in public domain. I hardly found any personality who using Reuters and explaining. So guys, I just need to tell you one thing, that as a parent, it is our moral duty to teach our kid how to speak in public. That's very important. Because maybe he ends up an exceptional CGPR, maybe he or she ends up in IIM Ahmedabad, Harvard, Stanford, maybe all big schools, but public speaking is really must. And this is something we need to inculcate in the kid, he or she probably as soon as they turn 5 or 6, so that by the time they enter into the mainstream, which is the job market, they are confident enough that they can speak on anything. I know that many people after watching this video feel irritated. Why? Because now I have started teaching to parents, and that is selflessness. I'm not asking for anything. I'm not asking that Treasury Consulting launched any public speaking course. Sorry, we don't have time for that. I know many people feel irritated. They feel that now he is giving advising to parents, and so that the young kids will turn better, which we never did. So go to the right hand side of the YouTube and do this. Get lost. I told you many times, guys, I'm not a YouTube channel who fighting for subscribers. I'm not a YouTube channel who is fighting for fancy videos. I'm not a YouTube channel who is fighting for comments. No, I know that I have my market. I know that people listen to my videos. So I would like to let all parents know, guys, teach your kids how to handle public. And this job, it's not a one-day affair. Rome was not made in a day. Rome was made in a span of time. If you start teaching your kid today, probably he or she needs another 2 to 3 years to be best. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting. You know our WhatsApp 9818485155. Have a great time, guys. Thank you.